In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import NSE F&O stocks list into Tradingview Watchlist. By the end, you'll have a clean, up-to-date F&O watchlist in Tradingview that you can reuse and refresh in minutes. First, get the latest F&O stock list from the official NSE website. Look for the section where they publish the current F&O eligible securities and download it in a spreadsheet-friendly format, typically CSV or Excel. Using the latest file is important because the F&O universe changes over time and outdated lists will cause missing or incorrect symbols later. Open that file in Excel. Locate the column that contains the stock symbols. Often labeled symbol or underlying, Tradingview expects each Indian equity symbol to be prefixed with the exchange code. So we'll add NSE to each ticker. In a new column, type a formula like equals and a 2. Assuming a 2 is your first symbol, fill that down to the end of your list so every symbol now includes the NSE prefix. Copy the results and paste them as values if you want to keep just the final text. Next, convert that column into a single comma-separated line, which Tradingview can import in one go. The quickest way in modern Excel is to use the text join function = text join. True, B2 to BN, where B2 to BN is your prefixed column. That gives you one long string such as NS, Reliance, ENS, INFI, ENS, TCs, and so on. Copy that entire line to your clipboard. Now switch to Tradingview. Open the Watchlist panel, typically on the right side of the screen. Click the three dots menu at the top right of the Watchlist section and choose Import List. A small window will appear asking for symbols. Paste the comma-separated text you created, then confirm to import. Tradingview will add those tickers to your current watchlist or a new list. Depending on your settings, if a few symbols don't show data or appear with errors, it usually means the names in the source file don't exactly match Tradingview's database. That's normal for a handful of tickers. Simply delete the problematic entries from the watchlist and use the search bar to re-enter the correct ones with the NSE prefix. Typing the company name and selecting the result labeled with NSE will ensure you add the right symbol. That's it. Refresh the list periodically by repeating the same download and import process. And your F&O watchlist will always stay aligned with the latest NSE changes.